Let's learn the English alphabets. Okay? Say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A is for apple. Apple is yummy, healthy fruit. Apple is yummy, healthy fruit. The sound of A is like apple. Can you say A, apple? B is for ball. Ball is something you can throw and play with. The sound of B is like ball. Can you say B, ball? C is for cat. Cat is for your friend. That says meow. The sound of C is like cat. Can you say C, cat? C is for cat. D is for dog. Dog is a playful pet that loves to run and play. The sound of D is like dog. Can you say D, dog? D is for dog. E is for elephant. Elephant is a gigantic animal with big ears. The sound of E is like elephant. Can you say E, elephant? F is for fish. Fish swims in water and goes blab blab. The sound of F is like fish. Can you say F, fish? G is for giraffe. Giraffe has a very long neck. The sound of G is like giraffe. Can you say G, giraffe? Can you say G, giraffe? H is for hat. Hat keeps your head warm and cool. The sound of H is like hat. Can you say H, hat? I is for ice cream. Ice cream is cold and tasty. The sound of I is like ice. Can you say ice cream? J is for jolly. Jelly. Can you say J is for jelly? K is for kite. Kite flies high in the sky. The sound of K is like kite. Can you say K, kite? L is for lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Lion. L is for? M is for monkey. Monkey loves to jump and swing. The sound of M is like mommy. Monkey. Can you say I'm monkey? N is for nest. Bird lives in nest. The sound of N is like nest. Can you say N, nest? O is for octopus. Octopus lives in the sea and have 8 arms. The sound of octopus is like octopus. Can you say octopus? P is for penguin. Penguin battle and live where it's cold. The sound of P is like penguin. Can you say penguin? Q is for queen. Queen wears a crown and rules the land. The sound of Q is like queen. Can you say Q, queen? R is for rainbow. Rainbow has many pretty colors. The sound of R is like rainbow. Can you say R Rambo? Rainbow?
Rainbow.
S is for sun. Sun shines bright in the sky. The sound of S is like sun. Can you say sun?
Sun.
T is for tiger. Tiger has strips and loud roar. T is tiger. U is for umbrella. Umbrella keeps you dry in the rain. The sound of umbrella is umbrella. Say umbrella. V is for violin. Violin makes lovely music. The sound of V is like violin. Say violin. W is for whale. Whale is the biggest animal in the sea. Whale. Say whale. X is for xylophone. Xylophone is a fun musical instrument. The sound of xylophone is xylophone. Can you say xylophone? Y is yo-yo. Yo-yo goes up and down. The sound of Y is Y. Can you say Y? Z is for zebra. Zebra is a horse with cool black and white strips. The sound of zebra is zebra. Say zebra. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe